Hey, Geek Pro MB family, thank you all for the amazing support so far. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions keep me going. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Your feedback helps me improve and bring more awesome content your way. Let's keep building this community together. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, I just want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your support on Geek Pro MB. Your likes and comments mean a lot, and they help our community grow. If you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Together we can explore even more exciting topics. Thanks for being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Geek Pro MB. A big thank you goes out to all the amazing supporters for the love and encouragement. Your comments, likes and subscriptions truly make a difference and inspire the creation of even more exciting content. If you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Every like and subscription helps grow this fantastic community, and there's so much more to come. Thank you for being part of this journey, and let's keep the good vibes rolling.
Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today, a special thank you is in order. This journey on Geek Pro MB wouldn't be possible without each of you. Your support through comments, likes, and subscriptions is what makes this community truly amazing. Each interaction is deeply appreciated and inspires the creation of more content that resonates. Thank you for being part of this adventure and for believing in the vision behind this channel. Let's continue to grow together, share knowledge, and enjoy every moment. Here's to many more exciting videos ahead.